Let's figure out how to save money on kitchen appliances while improving your comfort. Here are some simple and effective tips. Everyone knows there are many types of kettles. The simplest of them is a metal kettle that is placed on the stove. It's very simple and lasts a very long time. Also, there is an electric kettle, which is by far the most popular. After all, heats water faster and costs 4 times cheaper than heating it on a stove. Electric kettles also have many interesting features. For example, heating water to a certain temperature. By the way, some of kettles can be controlled from your phone. Regularly discard your kettle, it will boil water faster and use less energy. Boil only the amount of water you need at a time. For example, if you need 1 cup of tea, don't boil the whole kettle. There are coffee machines and they make coffee quickly, but it's not environmentally friendly. If you want to drink brown coffee, you can brew it in a French press, which is the cheapest way to make coffee. So the savings on a French press compared to coffee from a machine would be 3 times as much. A good electric kettle and its correct use will save you money and energy.